Hello and welcome to another CNRL Fast Holiday activity. Today we're going to make this really spooky ghost pen. You are going to need a pen, a paper clip, some thread, scissors, and a tall glass or bottle. All right, let's get started. So first thing we need to do is cut our thread. Now I'm going to cut it about 1 meter long. And we're going to attach one end to the paper clip. Now, to do this, I like to just do a double knot, like you're tying your shoes twice. It seems to hold quite well, but it's a bit tricky with small thread. And cut off excess, just like that. And then the other end of the thread needs to go onto our pen. Wrap it up like this. So I just put my finger there on one end and then wrap it around a couple of times. Don't let it slip off until it comes down like that. So both ends are going down. And just pop the pen lid on and it should hold it on there nice and firm, like that. And now we're ready to set up for the trick. Okay, so to set up, you have your paper clip and your pen. Attach the paper clip somewhere to your body. You can attach it to your pocket, your belt clip, or your back pocket, or somewhere like that. And now the string is attached to the pen. Hold the pen from the bottom as well as the string. You have your glass. I'm going to show you from the side to begin with. You pop your pen into the glass and you move your glass backwards and forwards. And as you can see, it rises up because it's attached to the string. At this point in time, you may find the thread is too long. You can either cut the thread down to a comfortable length or attach the paper clip to a different part of your body. Now this looks much better when you do it from the front. So set up, hold the pen, pop it into the glass, and as you can see, because I'm wearing a black shirt, you can no longer see the string and it looks like a ghost pen. And then at the end you can pop the lid off and it looks like a regular pen, the thread just falls away.